Hey Beauty Boss, let's talk about lashing from home. Is it okay? Is it something you can do? Or is it something that you shouldn't even get into? Here's the deal about lashing from home. It's going to typically depend on which state you're in, but it can be done if you are following the proper protocols. Your lashing business or your home studio has to be checked out by the state board of your state, and there are certain requirements that must be in place. So the state board will have to come out, take a look, make sure that everything is okay. A couple of examples of things that you might want to consider is that typically speaking, you have to have a separate entrance for your client to come into. So if you're lashing out of an apartment or lashing out of your home, they can't use the same door that you use to get into your house. That is going to be one of the main requirements that's going to really kick a lot of people out of the lashing from home type of situation. Another thing that you have to have in most cases is a separate bathroom for your clients, and some states require that no walls are conjoined or touching. Those are going to be the main things that you have to consider when trying to lash legally out of your home. Another thing that's important is zoning requirements. Some cities and some counties will have typical zoning requirements in place, and that may also prevent you from lashing legally out of your home.